Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to add custom paper size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file, check the paper size, go to file menu, properties, and check the paper size. There have A4 size paper. I will make custom paper size. Go to start menu, control panel, and hardware, printer device, Adobe PDF. Right click on the printer, printing preference, paper and quality, advanced. Click the edit custom paper size. Set the paper size and now go to Adobe Acrobat PDF, file menu, print, select the Adobe PDF page setup, post script custom page size, OK, and print. Save the document another name. Now check the custom paper size, file menu, properties. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.